All right, well, we're following a big crash right now on I-10 right in the heart of the city. And if you are headed out the door, you'll want to know about this one. Kimberly Chang live on the scene for us there. Kim, good morning.
Connie, good morning. Yeah, I want to bring in Dragan Kartalia. He is the driver who was on his way back from Tucson when he hit this person who just happened to be walking on the freeway. Yes. Dragan, I'm so sorry, first of all, that this happened to you. How are you doing right now?
He's not good. He's not feeling good. His trouble, his accident is my first time. I have a little stress for that one.
You're pretty stressed out because it's your first time in an accident like this. When you were driving down the I-10 westbound, what did you see? How far was this person before you realized?
I see person before and the accident, 25 feet, 20 feet. She's walking another way, walking to this way, to freeway. He's not have another solution. There's a lot of cars to freeway.
Yeah, and you said...
Semi truck is close to me. I'm trying to move the truck. It's not make accident.
There was a semi truck next to you and you couldn't move in time.
Yeah, he's not have another solution. And
no other solution.
Nope.
Did you see that person? Where that person came from? What was that person doing on the freeway?
I don't know what happened to person. I don't know. I don't know what you're doing to freeway. I don't know. Trust me. I'm just see it very very close. It's another side freeway. She's worked to freeway and push the brake. He try to move, make the accident. He's not have another choice.
There was nothing else you could do. When the officers here told you that that person had died, what was your reaction? I'm sure that's very difficult for you.
Yeah, it's more stress. It's more stress. His officers told me she's died and too much nervous and I don't know what happened.
But you're okay, physically?
Yeah, I'm physically okay. Yeah.
Thank you for talking with us. I know the officer's here to talk with you. I appreciate it. So you can just hear it. I mean, he was telling me just how difficult this is for him this morning. Connie, you know, he's just driving down the freeway, coming back from Tucson. He's been working as a truck driver for 10 years. And then just unexpectedly, this person walks out of nowhere. He says he didn't see any broken down cars. There were a lot of headlights in his way. It was extremely dark just before 5 o'clock this morning, and he just couldn't react in time. Investigators right now talking to him, looking at his truck. We have multiple lanes on the I-10 westbound shut down right now, and it looks like it could be a while before it reopens. I'm going to send it back to you guys now.
Boy, some frightening moments out there, and understandably, he's a little shell-shocked by it all. You just don't expect someone to be walking across the freeway in the middle of the night. Kim, thanks for the latest there.